Welcome to the channel. We are back with another typewriter. Excuse me, clear my throat before we get started. This is the first video of the day, so I put together this Commodore yesterday and today, spent a few hours on it getting it all straightened up and going, but this one is going to be up for sale soon. I'm going to be putting it out there, list it for somebody to get. This is a Consul 1511 machine, and if you guys are familiar with a lot of my other videos, you know that I'm a very big fan of these Consul machines, and there's just something about the way that these type guys, like, it has that Hermes buttery feel to it, where it's kind of a plodding, it's hard to explain how these typewriters feel, but it's just so comfortable to use. It's not a speed demon. It doesn't have a touch control, so if you start typing too fast, it will get caught up on itself. It'll hang up. But this is more suited for casual writing, letters, you know, just joyful typing. Like if you're banging out novels, you need a desktop machine. This thing is quiet and smooth, and it is fun to use. I really enjoy these Commodore machines. So we're gonna run some paper through it, and we'll give you guys a quick overlook. It has magic margins, just like the Royal, almost dropped my camera, just like the Royal system, and that pops up and you can see how it works like that. This machine has been completely disassembled and gone through. I put a new platen in it. Well, not a new platen, but a platen from a different Consul 1511 that I had, and this one still has the grooves in it, and it's nice and supple and soft and quiet. What else did I do to it? I put a new silent return spring on it, so it, oops, now I have margins set on that side. Let's see here, set the margin, there we go. So no bzz, 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 buzzing sound. New silent return spring, that was fun. I don't recommend that, but it is a necessity for these machines. Alignment tested, checked. That was today's task. So carriage off completely, machine off completely. Inside, this is an elite machine, which is, you know, don't really see many of these Consul. I shouldn't say that. Out of the 5 I have seen, 2 of them have been elite. So I'm going to put you in the stand, and we'll get to typing. We'll get to type test this thing. Dun, 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 dun. Who's that? Who's that dog? Well, you know you're the dog. When I say dog, I'm talking about you. He doesn't think he's a dog. All right, buddy, you can let me type some paper. I mean, this thing is smooth. Cool machine. Margin does not sit. I like wide margins. All right. This is the best of this machine and the way that it types. That was my fault. Let's just go back and correct that. And then the N we skipped over. The way that it types, period. I am not a robot, but a real boy. I like to type things like a human. I am really a human. Alright, that's just some silliness. Silliness. Quick brown humans jumping over other humans. This is a test of the machine way to type. This is a cotton ribbon, so it's super dark, guys. I'll probably have a nylon one in this because it is elite. But everything works great on this machine. That's some goobery stuff. Paper release. Zoop. So yeah, guys, the Consul 1511, it is a comfortable machine to type on. I recommend anybody to try them out if they get them. This one has a tab system that works correctly. Your color system works correctly. Other than that, this is a good machine ready to go. It has a great case too. I don't know if you can see the case. It's sitting there. It's got a Good leather handle. Good feeties. Good all around. But this is a quick video, guys, for the Commodore that I'm going to throw up. I'm going to put up online and hopefully pass it along to somebody that'll like this thing, because man, I love these consoles. Hot Rod Typewriter Company. Talk to you later. Bye.